every story is told with soft eyes. Some stories are told with strength. In the land of Odisha, in the district of Mayurbhanj, a warrior tradition was born. This is Mayurbhanj Chhau. Mayurbhanj Chhau is a classical martial dance tradition of Odisha. Unlike other Chhau styles, it does not use mask. Here, the body speaks, the breath speaks, and the energy speaks. It combines martial arts, folk tradition, and classical aesthetics. The word Chhau is believed to come from the word Chhauni, which means military camp. It originated as a form of physical training for warriors, strong legs, fast reflexes, controlled jumps. Over time, this martial discipline transformed into a storytelling dance form, but the warrior spirit remained the same. Mayurbhanj Chhau flourished under the royal patronage of kings of Mayurbhanj. Encouraged artists to refine and structure the dance. This royal support helped transform it from a martial drill into a respected stage art. Because of this guidance, Mayurbhanj Chhau developed grace with power. The themes of Mayurbhanj Chhau are drawn from Indian epics like Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Stories like Rama's bravery, Arjuna's focus, Goddess Durga's victory, etc. There is less facial exaggeration and more emphasis on physical expression. Each movement requires stamina, flexibility and precision. The music of Mayurbhanj Chhau is powerful. Dhall, Dhamsa and Shehnai create an intense rhythm. The dancer moves according to sharp beats, sudden pauses, explosive leaps. Balance and breath control are essential in this dance. In 2010, Chhau dance was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This recognition brought international attention to this powerful tradition of Odisha. Styles of Chhau, Mayurbhanj, Saraikela and Purulia. Mayurbhanj Chhau stands unique because it does not use mask. The face supports emotion, the body carries the weight of the stories. It is raw, fearless and disciplined. Mayurbhanj Chhau reminds us that culture is not always gentle. Sometimes it stands tall like a warrior. From the soil of Mayurbhanj to stages across the world, this dance carries the strength of Odisha. As artists, we do not just perform it, we protect it. This is Mayurbhanj Chhau. This is our heritage. Jai Jagannath.